then you're going to have to come back a little bit farther
Okay.
in order to allow the front of the vehicle to swing without hitting the cones or hitting another vehicle. All right, let's proceed on around.
Since there's no left lane, do I have to have a turn signal on, or?
It's a good habit to get in using your turn signal. If you're doing anything other than going straight, use your turn signal, because that way you also, yes, I use my turn signal. Okay. And we'll go down to the driveway and go to your right. Right turn. Okay. And you hug the curb. Don't swing wide. You hug to stay on your side of the roadway. All right. We need to get over to the left. Get away from the worker changing the tire. Okay. All right. Pull down the other side of this last little driveway down there on the right, where the white two stakes are.
Okay.
Pull over to the right down there, next to the curb, and stop.
Before or after?
Either one, but turn your center signal.